Do you have a 2020 to 2022 Ford Super Duty with the factory halogen lighting package and, well, just want to upgrade your headlight performance? Well, today we're going to go over the OLM Essential Series full LED headlights and matching grille assembly. Now, living with those halogen lights, well, you know how bad it is. Even if you put in a set of LED replacement bulbs, it's going to bump the performance up a little bit, but not as good as if you do a full replacement LED headlight. And there are lots of other companies out there that offer full LED headlight replacements, but we feel that the OLM Essential Series has a lot of things going for them. First off, it's a true full LED light, not a hybrid, meaning that all the lighting functions are LED. Not just LED high and low beam with halogen other lighting functions. These feature a high and low LED projectors, LED DRLs, and LED turn indicators that can be ran sequentially or non-sequentially depending on how you plug them in. And speaking of plugging them in, these are a plug and play headlight. They're going to bolt right into the factory location and plug right into that factory harness. And it's going to work. There's going to be no fiddling around with extra capacitors, resistors, wiring adapters. They just work. They feature an ABS plastic housing with a high-strength polycarbonate lens. They have a 5-year warranty, and they meet both DOT and SAE specifications. And best of all, these lights are less expensive than factory replacement headlights. Now, I can keep telling you about how great these lights are, but I think it's time we just install them and show you the difference. So there you have it, a couple hours of work, and we've installed those OLM Essentials full LED headlights into our Super Duty. Now we went ahead and also installed the matching Essentials Grill with its DRL strips top and bottom, and they blend right into the C DRLs on the OLM headlights. It also retains the factory emblem for that upgraded factory look. Now, you don't have to install the grill. These headlights will go right with your factory grill. But if you're looking to upgrade the looks a little bit, maybe go a little bit more futuristic, the grill is also a bolt-on and it plugs right into the harness on the OLM headlights. So if you're looking for better performance out of your headlights and maybe better styling on your grill, hit our links down in the description box below and visit our website. You can find more information out on these products. You can also order them up and get them on their way to you. Now we've hit to the end, so I've got to say thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.